Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the Puget-Cooke error code in Black Ops 6, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is go over to Switcher, and then from here go ahead and just close the application or whatever your console you're on. Just basically restart the game, and once you turn the game back on you can check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method that you guys can try doing is check to see if there are any updates available, and you can do that by clicking on check for update right here. And if there are, go ahead and update the game, but if there aren't, then you're good to go. The third method that you guys can try doing is also go to settings and basically go to network, and then from here test internet connection and make sure everything is good. And you want to also go over to view PlayStation Network status, and if everything is good, if all servers are up and running, then you should be good to go. And once you do all of these steps, you should be good to go and you're all set. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.